Hello guys, good morning, good afternoon and good evening. Welcome to part 3 of probability series. Okay, so this is 3 of 5. Okay, part 3 of 5. We've done part 1 and part 2. We've answered a number of a couple of examination questions. So you can also do well to go through those two other type of probability questions. So here, this question reads, this is 2017 paper 2, internal, and it says, a box of chalk contains 5 white, 4 blue, and 3 yellow pieces of chalk. A piece of chalk is selected at random from the box and not replaced. A second piece of chalk is then selected. The first question is saying, draw a tree diagram to show all the possible outcomes. The second question is saying, find the probability of selecting pieces of chalk of the same color. Okay, so solution here, this is very simple. The first thing, we're going to come up with the total number of pieces of chalk. So we're going to say 5. We're going to add 5, 4, and 3. Okay, so the answer is 12 here. The number is 12. Then the tree diagram is going to be like this. It's going to have 3 branches. The first one, the first color is white. So I'm going to write W there. W. The second color is blue. So I'm going to write B here. And then the last one is yellow. So I'm going to write Y, sorry. We're going to write Y. Then this is the first picking. So let's just write the way they are. So for white is 5. So I'm going to write 5 over total number of pieces of chalk, which is 12. Then blue is 4. So I'm going to write 4 over 12. Then yellow is 3. So I'm going to write 3 over 12. This is very simple. Okay, and the second picking still have 2 branches. So we're going to have white, blue, yellow. Okay, even here we're going to have white, blue, yellow. Okay, from this branch, white, blue, yellow. Okay, now let's fill in with the numbers. So W here, we're going to assume that a piece of chalk that wasn't replaced was white. How many white do we remain with? We remain with 4. 4 over what? Over 11. Okay, 4 over 11. Then blue will maintain. Blue will still be 4. The total number will be affected by 1 to be 11. Okay, yellow will maintain as 3 over 11. Okay, now the second branch we consider what? We consider blue. The third branch we're going to consider yellow. The first one we consider what? We considered white. So blue we have 4 over what? First, before we do anything here, for blue we're going to assume that a piece of chalk that wasn't replaced was blue. We're going to subtract 1 from 4. So we're going to remain with 3. So 3 over 11. Then white we're going to maintain as 5 over 11. And then what color is this one? Yellow, we're going to maintain as 3 over, let me just write it inside, 3 over 12. Okay, 3 over 12. This is 3 over 12. Then the last branch here, we're going to start with yellow so that we don't get confused with these other colors. Yellow. So yellow, we're going to subtract 1, so we're going to remain with 2 over 11. Blue, we're going to maintain as 4 over 11. By the way, this is not 12, this is supposed to be 11. Okay, it's supposed to be 3 over 11. So everything in this side, the total number this side is going to be affected by what? By 1. Okay, it's going to be affected by 1. All right, for white we maintain as 5 over 11. So the outcomes here are going to have WW, WB, WY, BW, BB, BY, and here we have YW, YB, YY. Okay, so the question here is saying, the second question, which is saying, find the probability of selecting pieces of chalk of the same color. Okay, so here, this is B. We're going to say probability here, same color. We're going to say probability of WW same color, blue same color, yellow same color. So that's what we're going to consider. So we're going to start with WW plus probability of blue plus probability of yellow. Just a matter of substituting here. So white, so you're going to get the first white from the first picking here, and then the second one from the second branch. So we're going to say 5 over 12 multiplied by 4 over 11. 4 over 11 plus probability from second one, which is BB. We're going to get this one, 4 over 12 multiplied by 3 over 11. 3 over 11 times yellow. The first one is 3 over 12 multiplied by what's the other one? 2 over 11. 2 over 11. Okay, so here just a matter of multiplying. 5 times 4 is 20. 12 times 11 is 132. Like this, plus this is give us 12. 4 times 3, 12. 12 multiplied by 11 is 132. Same multiplied by, same as this one. There we're going to have 6 over 132. Oh, this is plus 132. So here the common denominator is 132, and we're going to add the numerators, 20 plus 12 plus 6, and we're going to have, after adding, we're going to have 38 over 132. Okay, 132. Remember what I've been telling you since the part 1, that you can use a calculator here. It will reduce, don't waste the time. 38, punch 38 over 132. Okay, then just punch equal sign here, is equals to, it will reduce the answer for you. So it's 19 over 66. So here is going to write here 19 over 66. Is it 66 or 69? 19 over 66. Yes, it is 66. So that's how this question is solved. Okay, so just remaining with 2 more examination questions. So let's go to the next.